So I'm often asked why I give up my high-paying 9 to 5 to day trade, and I always give them the same answer, which include the following 5 reasons. Number 1. Financial freedom. Day trading has higher income potential than a traditional job, and traders may see it as a way to achieve financial independence. I left my $133,000 salary job, and now this is not including bonuses or 401k contributions, just to day trade, because all they give me was a fixed income. And I won't argue. $133,000 is a lot of money. More money than most people make annually, but for me, begging for a 3% raise every year was a pain. And depending on the company's financials, there were times when an annual raise was non-existent. I made $1,000 a day from day trading, so I'm currently earning an exponentially higher income than my previous job. This unlimited potential was what trading has been providing for me and my family. With this financial freedom, I don't have to depend on the boss telling me how much I could make anymore. Reason number 2, flexibility. Day trading isn't just the ultimate work from home job. It's a work from anywhere gig in which I own my schedule. I used to live in California, and I used to spend 2 to 3 hours of commuting in LA traffic. I used to give up 12 hours of my day to work for someone else. This wasn't my dream. My dream was to work from anywhere in the world without commuting, and with trading, you define how long you want to work, when to work, where to work, and these are the real bonuses. I've traded in the mountain of over Lake Tahoe in the summer, the beaches of Cancun in the winter, Vegas, Miami, Silicon Valley, and the New York City skyscrapers. And I've traveled all on my own terms. Reason number 3. Sense of control. How often do you try to make a good decisions at work, and either upon time restraints or management review, what you wish for never gets achieved? I worked under the corporate ladder, even a startup environment, and let me tell you, what you don't have as long as you're not the company's CEO, empowerment. Day traders have control over their trades and can make decisions about when to buy and sell, which can be empowering for some. I make my own plan for the day, manage my risk, and execute my trades without any interference from others. I'm the boss. Reason number 4, excitement. Traditional jobs are tedious, and it doesn't matter how much you work, how hard you try to make a difference, the company and its executives are always making the gains. There's absolutely no excitement in it. Day trading can be an adrenaline fuel activity, and the thrill of making quick trades and receiving an insane amount of money for daily income, that is what keeping me interested and excited each and every day. Reason number 5, fulfillment. The working conditions, commuting, long hours, workplace cleanliness, the politics involved, various of different reasons I never felt fulfilled with the work I used to do with the 9 to 5. There's always a reason I was not entirely satisfied with the traditional job. But with day trading, I've been on a path of changing lives and leaving a legacy behind my current work. Check out this testimony and feedback from the traders who I've got a chance to coach or mentor. I've never felt so much more fulfilled in life with the business of trading, and most important of all, I only trade for a few hours a day. I use the rest of the time the way I want. Usually, I spend time with my family, and I feel fulfilled. And this newfound fulfillment is something I cherish above everything else. Setting dedicated time for trading and my family is one of many lessons I learned in 2022. So if you're interested in learning all 7 of my lessons, check out this video. Until next time, you guys.